It's Sarah from moonsteamdesign.com, and I'm going to do this really quick video to show you how to work with categories in WordPress. And this is leading up to another video I'm going to do that will show you how to then use categories and other things on the menus in WordPress. So really quick, when you log into WordPress, and what you see here is just the basic dashboard. To add categories really quick, what you want to do is just come over here to the left to posts, and you will see that under this menu you've got the category. So you click on that and you will see this screen here for categories. And right here in this add new category box, you can just type in the category name, and then I just click return, enter, and it's going to automatically add the new category. I'm going to add a couple more, give them really unique names here. Okay, and so you can go on and add as many as you need. Notice here that there's a category called uncategorized. You can't get rid of that one. That one comes with WordPress. And once you've created categories and you add posts to them, if you ever delete the categories that you have created, then the posts will all just fall back into the uncategorized category. Also on the screen, note that these categories that I just created, if I hover my mouse over the category name, I get the little, this little extra menu that pops down underneath where I can edit it, do a quick edit, delete, or view. I can also click the boxes here in front of each of them and go up here and do bulk actions, which my only option is to delete all of them. If you click on one to edit it, you'll come to this page where you can edit its name, you can edit the slug, and basically the slug is exactly what it tells you that it is right here. It's the words that will show in the URL, which we'll look at in a second. You can give it a parent category if you'd like to. If you have a lot of categories, you might want to create parent categories and then nest a whole bunch under them. But it's not necessary, and you do not need to nest your categories here in order to make the menus have nested categories, and we will get to that. So to keep it simple, when you're starting off, just make your categories. Don't create parent categories, just leave them all as they are. And then as you scroll down this page, you've got some other things like category archive settings, theme SEO settings, etc., etc. And you don't need to worry about any of that other stuff. So when you're making categories, all you got to do, come into categories, give them a name, and save them, and create them, and you're good to go. Okay, now that we have categories created, I'm going to go back over to all posts. Well, under posts, click on all posts, and I have my sample posts here in this sample blog that I'm working with. Notice right now that they are all under the category uncategorized. So if I want to quickly add one post into a category, I'm going to hover over the post name. I'm going to see quick edit. I'm going to click that. Notice right here in categories, here are my new categories. So I'm going to uncheck uncategorized, check category one, click update. Take a little nap while I wait for it to update. Okay, well, my connection is apparently very slow right now. So I will continue to talk while this continues to update. You can go through and edit each post in this way to add it to categories. There we go. Okay, notice now this has updated right here under categories. You can go through and edit them all that way if you want to. You can also, if I click on the title of the post and I pull open the full post editing screen, notice that over here to the right, under categories, my new categories are now listed here, and I can click and unclick them as needed to select the categories for this post. Also, from this post editing screen, you can click on Add New Category, and you can create a new category right here. So if you're writing a post and you remember, oh, right, I wanted to make a new category, you don't have to exit this screen and go and create it. You can create the category right here. Okay, I didn't make any changes, so I'm just gonna go back to all posts. Okay, you can also bulk edit a little bit. If you, let's say, okay, I just added this one post to category 1. Let's pretend I want all the other posts to go into category 2. So I'm going to select all of them by clicking here, the little box next to their name. I'm going to come up here to bulk actions and I'm going to click edit and apply. Now under categories, I'm going to select category 2 and I'm going to click update. And this is going to take a few extra minutes here. But what this will do is this will add all of those posts to this category. There we go. Now, all of those ones that I clicked, they are now under category 2. Now, notice they are also under uncategorized. So, if I want to take them off, I can go do a quick edit, remove it from uncategorized, click update. But now look, if I bulk edit, and if I want to remove these 4 from uncategorized, look at this. Uncategorized is not checked, even though we know that these 4 posts are in that category. So, and I do not know why this is, but you cannot bulk edit in this way and take them all out of a category. You can add them to a category. You can't take them out of a category by using the bulk editor. Again, I have no idea why. It's just one of those little quirks. So, in order to take posts out of a category, you have to do them one by one. You just click quick edit, take it out, update. Quick edit, take it out, update. Quick edit, take it out, update. Oop, I missed one. Okay, so now I've got this first post is in category 1 and the other ones are all in category 2. So that's the basics of working with categories. You simply make your categories and then you add posts to the category that you want. You can add as many categories as you need. There's no limit. You can rearrange them however you want. Like I said, you can nest them if you want to. It's not as necessary these days, although if you have a lot of categories, sometimes it's just helpful for your own, just for keeping your own post straight and being able to look at what's in your categories at a time. But that's it. It's very simple and straightforward. And now that you know how to add posts into categories, I will show you how to work with the WordPress menu and then how you can add categories to your menu and lots of other fun stuff. Okay, see you at the next video. Bye.